Transferring playlists between apps has never been this easy. If you have ever switched music services, then you must be familiar with the struggle of transferring each song and recurating playlists. Helping ease that process is the nifty tool Soundees, which not only helps transfer entire playlists between music streaming apps but also helps keep them in sync. See how you can use the tool. Visit soundees.com on any device and log in using the button on the top right. You'll be directed straight to the Soundees web app. Tap the hamburger menu icon on the top left and hit the Connect Services button on the bottom left. Here, hit the Connect button for the services you wish to transfer sync playlists between. Select the source and target service and select the playlist to initiate transfer. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like it.